Hi there. Welcome back. Today's tutorial is all about pronouns. Let's understand this first. Pronouns are not proper nouns. We will leave a link about proper nouns in the description. What are pronouns then? A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun or noun phrase. There is one condition. The noun has to be mentioned at least once before you can use a pronoun for it. Note, this may not be true for spoken English. You will understand in a few minutes. There are three types of pronouns: personal, possessive, and reflexive. What are personal pronouns? Personal pronouns are words which you use to talk about people, places, and things. We use them to represent them, rather than taking the name repeatedly. Let's look at some examples. Mr. Baker is Amelia's teacher. He teaches her maths. Here, we have used the personal pronoun he to represent Mr. Baker and her to represent Amelia in the second sentence. Shadow is our pet dog. It loves to play. We know that all of us call our pets as he or she, but according to English grammar, the pronoun used for any animal is it. I asked Bob to get me a pineapple. He got me one, but it was too ripe. Here we replaced Bob with the pronoun he and pineapple with it. Here's a list of personal pronouns. Make a note of it. I, you, me, they, them, she, her, he, him, it, we, us. What are possessive pronouns? Possessive pronouns are words which you use to talk about something being owned by someone or something. Let's look at some examples. Christina has a guitar. It is hers. This tells us that the guitar belongs to Christina. Hers is the possessive pronoun. Shadow is our dog. This ball is its, telling us that Shadow owns the ball. It is the possessive pronoun. You can park the car over there. That parking space is ours, telling us that someone owns the parking space. The possessive pronoun used here is ours. We have a hint for you to identify possessive pronouns. All possessive pronouns end in s. Here is a list of possessive pronouns, if you wanted to make a note of it. Here is a small activity for you. Try putting the pronouns listed on the left into the correct circles on the right. Pause the video and give it a go. This is how they should look like. What are reflexive pronouns? They are pronouns ending in self or selves. This usually happens when the subject and the object of the sentence is the same. Example: we found the ball ourselves. They own the car, so they should take care of it themselves. There are 9 reflexive pronouns. Make a note of it for future reference. Yourself, yourselves, themselves, themselves, ourself, ourselves, himself, herself, and itself. Hope that gave you an insight into pronouns and has helped you in some way. If you like our short videos, give us a thumbs up. If not, please comment on how we can improve. Consider subscribing. Bye for now.